First time was at the orphanage, and then later in my teens I stuttered, and I was they elected me secretary of the English class. No, secretary of the minutes of the English class, whatever you call it. And then at the minutes of the last meeting, like a oh, it was terrible. When? I don't know. Let's see, I had the orphanage, and after I left, I guess, and then when I was about 13, I took it up again. It just, I don't know how it happened. I just stuttered. Sometimes if I'm very nervous or excited or something, I stutter. In fact, one time they were doing I had a small part in a movie, and the assistant director came in and yelled at me. Oh, he talked awful. And he... And so I, when I got into the scene, instead of my lines, I woo, 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 and the director came up, he was furious. He says, "You don't stutter." I said, "That's what you think."